Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. Happy New Year. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Pink Seoul. So if you're not familiar with Pink Seoul, this is a Korean beauty or K-beauty subscription box that comes every other month. It runs for $39.95, but if you prepay ahead of time, the price of the box does come down. Now you get 4 full-size products, 1 accessory, and 2 mask items inside. And it is customized based on a profile that you set on your skin needs. So let's go ahead and see what they sent for January. Now, I'm not sure if this is the January box or the December box. I think it's the January box. When you open inside, it gives you some tips for the best care of your skin. And we have a cute little sticker here. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. Looks like we have our mask items on top, and there's the rest. Okay, so the first thing I see, now do they have a card? No, they don't have a card. So I'm going to have to look these items up, and I will go ahead and put the price of each item here. So the first thing we have is by Benton Fermentation Mask Pack. It's a premium sheet mask containing 3 fermented ingredients, ceramide and peptides. This mask nourishes, soothes your skin, leaving the skin relieved and supple. That's what that one looks like. And then this one is Diamond Brightening Glow Luminous Ampule Mask. That's what that one looks like. It has pomegranate extract, diamond powder, and pearl extract. Put on elegant glow on the skin. Putting on extract to put on elegant glow on the skin. Beaming from within. I don't think that was written correctly, but most of the back is all Asian. So there are our 2 masks. And then we have by Sweeteen, it looks like. It's a vegan product. Tart Cherry Water HYA Serum. Okay. I'm going to have to look up and see what this is. So this Tart Cherry product, the full size is $14.89. It has a large amount of vitamins and antioxidants that improves skin conditions and immunity, which prevents skin aging and improves the skin elasticity. So this is perfect for me. So yeah, okay. Next thing, oh boy. Pink Seoul Mist Toner. That's what that looks like. It is sealed. I have a toner already open, so I will not be opening this one. Very simple packaging. The bottle is like a deep blue. Pretty. And looks like we have an Aqua Peel toner. Oh, that's interesting. An Aqua Peel toner. The strength of beauty can be discovered in flowers. Benefit peeling. Combination skin. Doesn't say anything English on the back. Let me look this up. So what this toner does is it exfoliates dead skin cells and impurities. It's smoothing, softening, smoothing. Isn't it just smoothing? That's what I'm reading. Oh, wow, that's just totally blacked out. You can't even see what's on my phone. Um, Smoothing, softening, even toning, and cleansing. So that's what that is. Okay, I will have to try that. And then we have by Benton a PHA peeling gel. It's so small, there's no way I can read that. Okay. After cleansing, apply a suitable amount on the dry face and spread evenly, avoiding contact with the eyes and mouth. Gently massage with fingertips and scrub off cellulose and dead skin cells. Wash off with lukewarm water. Oh, okay. So that's how you do these. Interesting. Let's take a look and see what that looks like. That's what that looks like. It is sealed. I will not be opening it. See, I buy all of these products myself. I mean, this comes out of my account. So opening these things, the clock starts ticking. So I want to make sure I use up products that I have open and I'm using to see if I like them or not. And so I want to save these for when I need them, or they go in a giveaway, one of the two. So I just wanted to explain that a little bit. I mean, if it was given to me, I might go ahead and open it, but I don't want to waste anything. Plus, I'm thinking of changing skincare, any bags that I get that are skincare, because my husband signed me up for a skincare subscription, and he's going to keep getting that for me each month. So I'm thinking of getting some other subscription boxes. If you know of one that you've heard about and you're interested in seeing, just go ahead and let me know in the comments down below, and then I'll look into that. So here is another one from Pink Seoul. This is a moisture ampule. You apply gently on your skin along with your skin texture. Apply gently on your skin along with your skin texture. Really? Okay. Discontinue if... Okay. So this ampule is special moisture, tightly sticks to your skin, and effectively moisturizes your skin with its special texture. Oh, this has a special texture. Well, let's take a look and see what that looks like. Let's see. Wow, look how big that is. And that is also in the same kind. These would look pretty sitting out on your vanity. So let's take a look. It has a dropper. Wow, there's a lot of product in here. We're just gonna... It's very thick. Oh yeah, this is thick. So this would be really good to put on at night so that your face gets extra moisture at night. It did very well. I don't smell anything. Okay, so I have that. The last thing in the box, yeah, it's the last thing, is by Cure Plus. Signature 3 times cream, anti-wrinkle whitening. Anti-wrinkle whitening. Let's take a peek at that. Look how much. So I have to look this up. Anti-wrinkle whitening. It's kind of yellow. Oh, it smells good. It smells citrusy a little. Yeah, I like the way that smells. So let me look this up so I can see how to use it and stuff. So a full size is 50 mil. This is 40 mil. I couldn't find the exact one, but these are little you can't see anything. Okay. So and it retails for $11.39. Let me see. Okay, so you get up to 3 times more ingredients. So that's why it's 3 times cream, because they have 3 times the amount of product. It's supposed to significantly help reduce the look of aging. Well, then I need a case of this stuff. We will see if it works. I do test out products, and every few months I'll come back with some product reviews, so keep a lookout for that. Well, that is all I have for you for today for Pink Seoul. If you're interested, I will leave a link for you down below. I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I will see you soon.